Hello students, how are you all? So today what we are going to study? We will study different forms of adverbs. हमने लास्ट क्लास में भी adverbs के बारे में पढ़ा था और तब हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Adverbs of place and adverbs of time. ठीक है? So जब हम adverb of place की बात करते हैं, it tells us, adverb of place tells us where something is or happens. ठीक है, प्लेस से आप समझ लीजिए जगह, है ना, जो उस वक्त उस जगह पे क्या हो रहा है वो बताते हैं हमें एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. ठीक है, जैसे हमने पहले भी स्टडी किया था, देयर, हेयर, एवरीवेयर. These are few examples of adverbs of place. ठीक है, एक तो हमारा था adverbs of place. अब हम दूसरा हमने पढ़ा था adverbs of time. ठीक है, adverbs of time indicates when something happens. It indicates when something happens. ठीक है. जब कुछ होता है, जिस समय पे होता है, उसका टाइम से आप रिलेट कर लो तो वो क्या होगा हमारा एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लिखते हैं डेली, वीकली, often, always. ये क्या है हमारे सारे एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. दीज आर द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम. अब हम नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे. नेक्स्ट है हमारा एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर नेक्स्ट हमारा है एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर. Adverbs of manner. Adverb of manner describes how something is done or happens. कोई चीज़ कैसे हुई है और कैसे होगी उसको डिस्क्राइब करता है ना, तो उसको कहते हैं adverb of manner. जैसे describe how something is done or happens. और इसका इस एग्जाम्पल्स क्या होंगे, जैसे कि कोई चीज़ हम फटाफट करते हैं, कोई स्लोली करते हैं, तो जैसे स्लोली, केयरफुली, quickly. These are the few examples of adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place. ठीक है, तो ये 3 टाइप्स ऑफ हमने एडवर्ब्स करे अभी. अब हम इससे आगे चलते हैं. हम next is adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. Now what is an adverb of frequency? They tells us how often something happens. जैसे it always happens, it sometimes happens. जैसे अब कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी में, tells us how often, tells us how often something happens. ओके, सो इसका एग्जाम्पल हमारा होगा often, sometimes, daily, weekly. Fine, this way. Now the next will be adverb of degree. अब ये क्या चीज़ है? Adverb of degree. Adverb of degree is that it modifies the intensity of an adjective, verb, or another adverb. For example, quite, extremely, really, that kind of. So it modify the intensity. कितना ज़्यादा है ना? इंटेंसिटी से मतलब इंटेंसिटी. modify the intensity of an adjective, verb, or another adverb. Verb or another adverb. ठीक है, सो इसका एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा हमारा? चलिए वो देखते हैं. इसका एग्जाम्पल होगा क्वाइट, very, extremely, फाइन. सो आपने ये, अब हमने दो और करे हैं, फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड डिग्री. ओके, सो दीज आर द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड डिग्री. चलिए नेक्स्ट हम करते हैं. नाउ वी विल स्टडी द अदर एडवर्ब्स. Now we will study now conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs. What are conjunctive adverbs? Conjunctive adverbs are which connect clauses or sentences and also show a relationship between them. ठीक है, जैसे it connects, first I'll write down the definition. It connects clauses or sentences. Clauses or sentences and also show a relationship. And also show a relationship. Also show a relationship between them. Fine. Now the examples are however, therefore, besides, moreover. ठीक ठीक है, ये क्या करते हैं, दिस शो रिलेशनशिप। जैसे हम कहते हैं यू नो देयरफॉर आई विल गो टुमारो, तो देयर इट इज जॉइनिंग द sentences with the help of a therefore and showing a relation between the two things. So like however, therefore, besides, me, so moreover, these are conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs. Now the other one is the interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs. Interrogative, as the name suggests, interrogate. It is used to form questions. It is used to form questions. Like the example for them is how, when, where. What are these? These are the interrogative adverbs. जब हम interrogate करते हैं, how have you done this? Where are you going? So what are these? These are the interrogative adverbs. Fine. Now let's study the next one. Focusing adverbs. Focusing. Focusing adverbs. Now what is the focusing? Now, names always suggest what kind of an adverb it is, isn't it? It emphasizes a particular part of a sentence. It emphasizes a particular part of a sentence. Okay, it it emphasizes like only, just, indeed, even. Fine. Now let's study the other one. The other one is the relative adverbs. Relative adverbs. Now what are the relative adverbs? Relative, as the name suggests, is connected clauses and function like pronouns. Pronouns हमने पढ़ा था 5th class में, isn't it? So it connects clauses, clauses and function like pronouns, and function like pronouns. Fine. It connects clauses and function like pronouns. For example, where, when, why, how. Fine. These are the relative adverbs. Chaliye, next move forward. So these are the few little bit about different kind of adverbs and a little bit of the examples of the adverbs. Now you should study them deeply so that you should be clear with the concept of adverbs, isn't it? So this was different kind of adverbs. Now let's move forward. Adverbs of number. Adverbs of number. Adverbs of number. Again, the name suggests itself what we are talking about, isn't it? So adverbs of number, it shows how often a frequency. An adverb of number is the frequency. It shows how often or how many times an action can take place. How many times action can take place. Like always, rarely, frequently. Now, adverbs of negation or affirmation. Adverb of negation. Adverb of negation, that is saying yes or no. What is that? You're negotiating yes, no, that way. Fine. So it is yes or no. Fine. For example, you say, I do not know about it. So you're saying no. Yes, I will come tomorrow. So what is there? Negotiating. Yes. Yes means that is adverb of negation. So these are different kind of adverbs. So you can do some exercises related to adverbs, so that adverb of time, adverb of place, things, all these are clear to you, and the concept is clear, how many types of adverbs are there, and you can work on the exercises or some kind of cards can be made in which you can show the adverbs of time, so students can come and collect the adverbs of time. You can make play cards and adverbs of place, adverb of number. So according to that, the student will be able to know what different kind of adverbs are. Fine. So these were the adverbs which we have to do, and we have done now. And so you can now practice with your teachers out there. Thank you so much. Take care.